Hi, good morning for everyone. Good morning from Portugal. It is a pleasure and an honor to be here. First of all, I'd like to say thanks to Mr. Professor Murat Selim. Thank you so much, Professor. And of course, I also would like to send my institutional and personal regards to your greatest university. I am going to share a PowerPoint presentation with you. I think it's right here. Here it is. Tourist emotions and sentiments on the path to define the image of tourist destination is the theme of this presentation. And of course, when we talk about emotions and sentiments, we have to make a distinction between these words, these two words, emotions and sentiments. What is this? Well, and according to Damasio, when we talk about sentiment, we are talking about a structure which is made by emotions, which means emotion is a cyclical reality, and a sentiment is a structured reality. For instance, to better understand these concepts, we talk about love as a sentiment and passion as emotions that is a base of this construction of love. So when we translate this kind of concept to tourism is very interesting because we must talk about tourism regarding taking into account a systemic perspective. So when we talk about a tourist destination, for instance, when we talk about wine tourism destination, uh, it is important to underline that inside this destination, we have a lot of experiences uh, based on the wine. When you talk, for instance, and I underline about wine tourism destination, harvest experiences, wine tastings experiences, wine tastings experiences with gastronomy, walking trails in the vineyards, wine museum, for instance, the landscapes of grapes, of course, and building these kind of emotions, taking into account these kind of emotions inside the system, inside the social system, which we call tourist destination, we build with these emotions a sentiment, a sentiment in the tourist destination. This is interesting because this is the way to make corporative imaging. According Leslie, a corporative image is important to the to be more easy to promote this kind of destination. On the other hand, imagine if we have, by one hand, one tourism destination with this kind of experiences, and if we have a miscellaneous tourist destination with experiences with no concurrency between them. Walking, for instance, walking trails in the vineyards, trails in the mountains, historical museums, photo hunt, amusement park. Well, this, of course, will be different. And in one hand, we have a corporative image. On other hand, we have an incurrent image. Uh, the result of this kind of construction, a wine tourism destination, for instance, we can talk about recreation tourism destination or historical tourism destination. The most important in this kind of systemic perspective is to build tourism experiences or emotions, if you like, concerning this kind of destination. Uh, if we get this, we are going to have this kind of corporative imaging, which is talking about tourism, a poster tourism. If, on the other hand, we have the other solution, trails in the mountains, experiences that is not connected between them, not organized. So we have incoherent imaging, and the efficacy of the promotion is not the same, of course. That's why when we talk about uh, Eden on earth, the Eden on earth, the paradise on earth, we also think about a kind very specific of emotions. The white, the white sand, the palm trees, the blue sky. Why is that? Because in our psychology of tourists, we think we associate this kind of emotions to the heaven. So this is uh, more easy to build a poster in this kind of construction that uh, promote experiences not connected between them, and it's got a difficult promotion of the destiny. So our challenge is this, and this is a difference. This is also the conceptual difference between experiences on tourism and tourist experience. One thing is build experiences. Another thing is to build a structure based on tourist experience, which all emotions converge to this sentiment, which is the experience of this destination. Thank you so much for your attention. And if you want something from us here in Polytechnic of Leiria, Citur, please, we are here to correspond with you. Thank you so much. Our best regards to all of you.